My friend Amaya is making rain that doesn't touch. Let me see you do it, Maya. Rain, rain, rain. Ooh, Soraya's rain. Her dots do not touch. Her raindrops do not touch. Excellent. Faster, let's see you go faster. Ooh, look at Kenlijah. Kenlijah's raindrops are not touching. And Kaylin, look at Kaylin's drops. Let's see Mila's. Gotta make sure our raindrops don't touch. Are they touching? All right. Kaylin, Kenlijah, and Mila. Kingston is working on his rain. Paris, let me get Jay. Excellent. I'm coming, Calm. Excellent. Let's see Asher. Carmen's raindrops are not touching. Look at Carmen's raindrops. Kinsley's rain. Kinsley, is that rain or is that a line? Let's see the raindrops. Rain, rain. Look on the board, Kinsley, what we're supposed to be doing. Let's see Asher. Rain, rain. Ooh, his raindrops are not touching. Yes, Asher. Yes. Rain.
Miss Bratton, I made a long raindrop.
Did Miss Bratton say we make long raindrops, or we supposed to make rain that does not touch? Ooh, you did a good job. All right, let's see if James can make raindrops that does not touch. You can erase your board. Rain. You can erase it. Rain. 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 All right.